Monkeys hate inflation. Bananas expensive. Houses expensive. So naturally, monkeys think,
Why doesn't monkey government just stop inflation?
because strangely, monkey government actually wants inflation.
Wait, what?
Imagine bananas become cheaper every month. 10 leaves today, 8 leaves tomorrow. What happens? Monkeys stop buying bananas.
Maybe cheaper tomorrow.
Then shops stop earning. Businesses slow down.
Wait, so governments want monkeys spending constantly?
Yes, because spending keeps the jungle alive. No spending equals no business. No business equals no jobs. No jobs equals angry monkeys. So small inflation quietly forces monkeys to spend leaves now instead of saving forever. The debt trick. Monkey government owes trillions of leaves. And inflation does something sneaky. It makes old debt weaker. Suppose monkey government borrowed 100 leaves years ago. Back then, 100 leaves equals 100 bananas. Now, 100 leaves equals 40 bananas.
So what? Government still pays 100 leaves.
But those leaves are worth less now. Debt secretly shrinks. Governments love this. The rich monkey. Now poor monkey angry, because leaves losing value. But rich monkey smiling. Why? Because rich monkey doesn't store leaves. Rich monkey owns banana farms, houses, businesses. And when inflation rises, those things become more expensive too. Poor monkey saved money. Rich monkey owned the things money chases. Big difference. The final truth. So governments try balancing inflation. Too much inflation, jungle chaos. Too little inflation, jungle freezes. So monkey government keeps printing just enough leaves to keep monkeys spending, borrowing, investing, working forever. Inflation is painful, but modern jungles are built around it, and that's why governments rarely try to remove inflation completely.